Good morning, guys. It's like I think it's about to be 9. I already moisturized my face and stuff. This is from the Beauty Foundry Anti-Aging Rose Water Face Mist. Has retinol, rose water, and retinol help visibly reduce the look of wrinkles and pores. Yeah, let's get started because I want to be done with my makeup. So I recently got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit, and it looks like this. I got it in the color light, and there's 3 dark shades and 3 light shades. This is in the color Banana, Neutral, Fair. This is Java, Light, and Havana. Light, Sculpt, and Havana. I don't know which one I like better because all 3 have a different undertone. The only face products I'm using are gonna be face products, like face. Okay, it's gonna be the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Makeup in the shade 2.5 and the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And why did I say it like that? Concealer. And then I have a cute stuff. I have a little bit of these tiny things and brushes and stuff. And sometimes I use this, but sometimes I don't. And I think today I am gonna use this because I want to go for a more natural contour, not a dark harsh contour. And yeah, so I have the e.l.f. Lock On Liner and Brow Cream in the color Espresso. This is the darkest shade. That's for the eyebrows. I was supposed to get up at 9 o'clock today, and it's already 9 o'clock, I guess, and my alarm rang and scared the shit out of me. Recently, I've been loving the natural look. Like, I try to do like a full face, like powder, eyeshadow, eyebrows, clean eyebrow, contour, highlight, and all of that, and I just didn't like it. I literally stared at myself in the mirror like this. I was like, I don't know if I like it. And I just took it off and literally went for a natural look, and that's what I was like, yes. Even though my skin wasn't the best that day, it was really good. I liked my skin. I was like, yes girl, yes. Like that's what makes me feel good now, you know what I mean? I've already moisturized my face. I already told you guys. I'm gonna start with the foundation, and I'm telling you guys, like, I have looked everywhere. I've watched people do their makeup like the natural way, and they're like, yeah, you know, like 5 minutes, like, oh, just this and that, and they use powder, and like they don't even put concealer under their eyes, they just put powder under there. And then I try to do that, and it emphasizes my fucking dark circles, and no other way does the natural look, the makeup no makeup look, like work on me besides this one. And I had to what's the word, I couldn't find anything else to work on me besides this. I gotta sneeze. Bless me. Oh, I need to take my allergy pills. So I'm just gonna dot that all over the face. And I finally found this. One day I was just experimenting. I was like, okay, let me try. And girl, I was like, I don't want to wear that much makeup today. And I was like, I don't want to wear concealer. So I was like, maybe I'll just put concealer around my dark circles, but not like on it. And I fell in love. I was like, oh my god, I've been looking for your bitch ass for years, and Like, now you appear, you fucking hoe. Loving the look. Which is so weird because, like, people, like, their routines, they're like my everyday 5-minute makeup routine and stuff. I'm like, girl, I tried it, it don't work. Like, it don't work for me. Like, maybe it works for you but not for me, because they put powder and for me it emphasizes my dark circles, and I don't like that. And I don't like putting powder on now. I've been loving not putting powder on because powder just makes me look dry and old. And when I set, I have like under eye, not wrinkles, but like creases. I think those are fucking wrinkles. And it just makes them look hideous, and I don't like it. Oh, I put chapstick on my lips. I put some more because I put them on when I applied all that moisturizer. This is your Burt's Bees pomegranate. My boyfriend has been upping me on this. He always makes sure I got some chapstick on deck. And you see, it already looks great. Like, I can step out the house like this. Well, obviously, I'm gonna slap some eyebrows on, but oh, I forgot to tell y'all, motherfuckers. My eyebrow routine changed so much. Is it a bald spot? No, it's not, right? Okay, it's not. Okay. It's gonna be like, whoa. Oh, I got some. Okay, damn. Guys, senioritis is a fucking thing. Like, it's a thing. It's real. It's true. Guys, get help, because if not, you're gonna not graduate. And you're gonna die, and you're gonna have to work at McDonald's, and for the rest of your life, actually. And you're gonna die poor, and gonna have no job and stuff. So you'll be a homeless. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. A lot of homeless weren't homeless to begin with. They just lost everything. And then I move on to whatever else is next, which are eyebrows. I got my eyebrows are so much thinner now, guys, and you know that. Like, girl, like, my eyebrows are completely different, and I like these eyebrows better than my I'm gonna put the difference of eyebrows here now. I can already think of the pictures that I'm gonna use. Bitch, you guys didn't make fun of me for my eyebrows except when are like 2 people, but like they weren't subscribers. They were just haters. You guys complimented me on my fucking eyebrows, and they were so bad. Like, bitch, what? No one stopped me in the hallway and just gonna be like, girl, your eyebrows are a little thick, and I might want to fix them. But I feel like I loved my eyebrows so much during that thick eyebrow stage that, like, if a girl would have been like, girl, your eyebrows are thick, in a good way, I would have been like, don't know what you're talking about, because my eyebrows are nice. And I would have ignored her, and I wouldn't have listened. And I had to find this out for myself. just one day I just started really plucking my eyebrows. I was like, okay, these eyebrows are too thick. Like I saw what everyone, well, I saw what my family was talking about, because my sister was like, girl, your eyebrows are really thick. She didn't say like, ew, your eyebrows are thick, but like they would like tease me sometimes. And like my brother would say, damn, your eyebrows are like half an inch. I was like, fuck you, no they're not. And then he was like, bro, yes they are. And yeah. But I literally, for a natural brow, I literally just underline the bottom. I start mostly right here. So right here, and then I line that up. And make sure my eyebrow isn't like, some people put powder on their eyebrow, and I don't like that, because then I don't really have control. So I like my eyebrow to be a little moisturized, or just a little, you know, just some moisture in there. I don't like it to be dry, because then I feel like I can't do my eyebrows right. I like the pomade doesn't glide on, and I can't, it don't work, bro. It don't work for me. And then the arch in the tail. I'm not picking my nose, you fuckers. I have allergies and it's itchy. I just messed up my foundation around my nose. Okay, now we're gonna work on the top part. Should I zoom you guys in? I can't zoom in with this bitch. I don't think I could have zoomed in with the other one either, but let me just scoot in. Up here, but you don't want it to be too harsh, so like slowly start patting some on like this, like everywhere, because you don't want a lot of product in the eyebrow to be super dark. You see, that's all you gotta do, girl. And then the front, with the excess of it, line up the bottom, just like that, girl. And then at an angle, like you're facing it flat, like this. That's how, okay, pretend you're the eyebrow, okay? And you're gonna go like that to make the hairs, no, like this, make the hairs go up, because these hairs face flat and away, that way, just like they face that way. And then these hairs face up. You're gonna follow the hair with the long side down, like this. And then flat again, and blend all that up. Now I'm gonna grab the tiniest amount as I dip in like so many times. I'm gonna clean off the edges because we're gonna work on the tip with the excess. See, because that, see, that's dark, and that would have been on the tip of my eyebrow, and I would have fucked that whole shit up. So just to be safe, always work on the tail when you first dip it in, and then work on the rest. So we're just gonna flick hairs. Boom, just like that. You got yourself a brow. I'm gonna go finish my other brow and set them, and then I'll be right back. Sorry, I'm not talking much, guys. It's just, I'm in a hurry, and my sister told my mom, "Are you ready?" And I was like, "Oh shit!" But I'm over here like worrying as if it takes such a long time to do this, because next I got concealer, and then I gotta set my brows, and I gotta curl my lashes, and that's it, girl. And now we done with contouring, girl. See? It's that easy. And then we conceal this bitch. Just right here, okay? Don't go ham. And with the excess concealer, put it on the eyelids just to even out the color. And then we're gonna grab the contour kit. Grab any color you want. Just make sure it's cream. And then put a little bit on. I'm just gonna grab all three, fuck it. And then on the outer corner, tap on it. And then just tap on it. And then blend out the under eye, and then blend out the crease, just the crease. See, that even take me 4 minutes. You're literally done, bitch. You are literally done. This is the look. You look cute. You look natural. I like my lashes to be curled. You done. This look makes me so happy. Every time I do it. Like, so happy. Like, I just feel so confident. Like, bitch, you can't tell me nothing. And then after you're done, ooh, stay. You go in, and with the clean side, you clean around your lips. You want foundation and shit on it. Oh, you're looking at my mascara. It's right now. To be honest, I don't even know what I said. Monday. Oh, are you making a video? Yeah, of this natural look. What were you saying?